Paratransit maintenance is not just fleet maintenance with different vehicle names. If your agency is evaluating software, the biggest risk is assuming a generic fleet platform will naturally fit a paratransit operating model. In most agencies, that assumption is exactly where process friction starts. Paratransit teams manage standard vehicle maintenance, but they also carry accessibility-related reliability requirements, tighter service continuity expectations, and higher documentation pressure. That means workflow quality matters more than feature count. A useful way to evaluate software is to map your actual day. When inspections are filed, can defects move into maintenance workflows without manual re-entry? When lift-related issues are reported, can they be tracked with enough detail to support both operational follow-up and defensible records? When service planning is updated, can operations and maintenance teams see the same priorities at the same time? If the answer to any of those is not reliably, your platform fit is probably weak, even if the tool checks many generic boxes. Another important factor is maintenance visibility. In paratransit, delayed maintenance affects reliability, customer experience, and agency credibility quickly. Software has to make urgency visible and actionable, not buried in disconnected screens or exports. Documentation is the third major factor. Public sector teams need records that are easy to retrieve and easy to explain. Audit readiness usually depends on continuity. Inspection findings, follow-up actions, and maintenance history should connect clearly. This is where maintenance-first platforms usually differ from general fleet tools. They are structured around the daily operating reality of maintenance teams, not just broad asset administration. Motrix is positioned in that maintenance-first category for transit and paratransit agencies, with specific emphasis on DVIR follow-up, wheelchair lift-related workflows, and retrieval-ready maintenance records. If your team is building a shortlist, use 3 questions. First, does the software match the way your maintenance team actually works today? Second, does it improve defect-to-resolution continuity without adding extra admin overhead? Third, does it produce records that leadership and compliance stakeholders can trust quickly? Use those criteria, and your evaluation will be much clearer. For a deeper checklist, use the Paratransit Fleet Maintenance resource linked in the description. Then watch our wheelchair lift tracking video to pressure test one of the most important workflows in paratransit operations.